Hey guys, it's Devon Harris here. It's a rainy, kind of slippery day in the Northeast. It's not the best day for driving, but hey, I'm heading to the airport. I'm heading to Austria today, and I'm actually excited about that. It's been a while since I've been to Innsbruck, Austria. The last time I was there was around about this time of year back in 1992. That's where we wrapped up our preparations as we headed into the Olympic Games in Albertville, France. And here I get to go again. All these years I'll be doing something differently. But I'm not doing this video to just say I'm on my way to Austria to give a speech. On this date back in 1993, January 17th, was the first day I started working here in the US. The Sunday before, and a Sunday afternoon, around about this time actually, I went up to this restaurant in the Bronx for my interview. And the guy didn't even want to give me the job. He felt I was overqualified. I just needed to work, man. So it didn't matter what it was. I was keen on doing it. But here I am. I started my first day of work back then on this date, and today I'm heading to Austria to give a speech to a company that's ranked among the top 10 globally in its industry. And it's just so amazing how your life can change, if you keep working hard and if you keep believing in yourself. Because I tell you this, when I was in that restaurant back in the Bronx, back in 93, there were so many times when I just wanted to kind of go into obscurity, work hard, eke out an existence and go into obscurity. But there was a part of me that just would not have it and would not listen to that little voice that was telling me to settle, basically. Marianne Williamson, she says that our deepest fear is not that we are powerless, but that deep down inside we are powerful beyond measure. And she goes on to exhort us to shine as children of God are meant to. And I just wanted to reach out to you, especially if you're in that place right now in your life where you feel that this is not where you're meant to be, this is not where you're expected to be at this time. That we have all been there, right? Where you work really hard, you have big dreams, and you're working, and it just doesn't seem like it's happening. And I understand this. The fact that it's not happening for you today doesn't mean that it will not happen. The only way it cannot not happen is if you stop, right? If you stop pushing towards where you want to go. And so for me, fortunately, while I was in that restaurant, I didn't listen to that voice that wanted me to settle, because we're not meant to settle. We're not meant to be mediocre. We are powerful beyond measure. And because I didn't do that, I didn't listen, I didn't settle. Now here I am. Excited. It's not been the easiest of roads, but then, hey, who said it was going to be easy? And you may be facing some challenges, but I want to encourage you, man. It's January 17th, and I'm not heading to the Bronx to the restaurant, and not there's anything wrong with that, but I'm off to Europe to give a speech. So I hope that is some encouragement for you. Keep on pushing. You can do what you will. God bless.